Fam, tell me something. When you woke up today, did you wake up feeling tight, sluggish, or maybe you felt like you just need a full body reset? Well, if that's you, this is the perfect routine for you. Today we're diving into a power up, a full body stretch, a quick but effective 5-minute routine designed to wake up your muscles, improve flexibility, and get you moving at your best. We're hitting up hip mobility, spinal flexibility, and upper body activation to ensure you start your day strong, loose, and ready for anything. No equipment is needed for this one, just your mat and 5 minutes of movement. You can do this anywhere, your bedroom, gym, or even outdoors for some fresh air. Here's the plan for today. We're starting with the frog squat to open the hips, roll into full hula hoops for core activation, and finish with a cross-body shoulder stretch to relieve upper body tension. Most people rush into their day without preparing their body, and they wonder why they feel stiff or tight. But not you. You've already taken the first step to feeling great, and that's a win. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel looser, stronger, and fully awake. Let's hit the mat. If you've been sitting too much, this move will wake up your hips, open up your lower body, and improve flexibility fast. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Drop into a deep squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together and gently push your knees outward with your knees. Keep your chest lifted and hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch improves hip mobility, strengthens your legs, and releases lower body tension. I promise you, by the end, you'll feel more grounded and flexible. Beginners, hold onto a chair or wall for support. Advanced stretchers, gently rock side to side to deepen the stretch. Now that the hips are open, let's activate the core and loosen the spine with full hula hoops. If your lower back feels stiff, this move will loosen up your core, improve spinal mobility, and activate your midsection. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Place your hands on your hips and begin making slow, controlled circles with your hips. Move clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. Keep your core engaged and movement smooth. This stretch enhances hip flexibility, warms up the lower back, and strengthens the core. I promise by the end, you'll feel loose, fluid, and ready to move. Beginners, keep the circles smaller and slower. Advanced stretches increase the range of motion and speed for a deeper stretch. Now that the spine and hips are moving freely, let's decompress the entire body in downward dog. This is the stretch that wakes up your full body, lengthens your spine, and boosts circulation. Start in a high plank position, then lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the ground. It's okay if they don't touch. Keep your spine long and push through your palms, relaxing your head between your arms. Hold for 1 minute, gently paddling your feet if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine, lengthens the hamstrings, and builds upper body strength. I promise by the end, you'll feel longer, stronger, and more flexible. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced stretches, hold the pose and actively push your heels toward the ground for a deeper stretch. Now that we've activated the full body, let's improve spinal rotation with deep squat into T rotation. Feeling stiff in your lower back and spine? Well, if that's a yes, this movement will unlock mobility and improve balance. Stay in a deep squat position. Place your right hand on the floor for balance. Inhale as you twist your left arm up toward the sky, opening your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch improves spinal mobility, strengthens the lower body, and enhances balance. By the end, you'll feel stronger, more aligned, and mobile. Beginners, keep the twist shallow and only lift halfway. Advanced stretches, extend your arm overhead and hold for a few extra breaths. Now that we've stretched the spine and legs, let's finish with a cross-body shoulder stretch to release upper body tension. Your shoulders work all day. Time to give them some love. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Bring your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to gently pull it closer. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. The stretch improves shoulder mobility, relieves upper body tension, and prevents stiffness. I promise you, by the end, you'll feel loose, refreshed, and completely reset. Beginners, keep the stretch light and gentle. Advanced stretches, hold longer and gently rotate your torso for a deeper stretch. If you want to keep the momentum going, join our mailing list and receive a free gift to help you boost your energy, get rid of nagging stiffness, and take control of your movement every day. You're gonna love this one. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.